I want to welcome you to anger management. Anger management class. This is the first in the
series. Hey, Doc, me want the man hurry up and talk, you know, Elder.
Excuse me?
General, me want the man hurry up and talk, you know. Cause I am man should even there, sir, right now, you know.
What is your name, sir?
Jamaica's the I name, General. Jamaica's the I name, you see me?
Okay, Jamaica's.
Right now that me I show you levels, you know. The I know for then away off you, so. And I don't even visit doctor and them thing.
Jamaica's, I see here.
I just call the I Empress, you know. Or the Empress. Me now want the I Empress too. Upset with the I. You see me?
I see here where you threw a chair at a child.
Doc, but hear me out the doctor. Hear me out the doctor. Cause you have something right down, you know, but you don't know the full story. You don't know the full levels, you know, doctor. The little youth in the yard. And me tell the little youth say, go grab a jug with the water, Zane. The little youth go for the jug. And then they are playing at the water. And 3 times I talk to the youth, you know, doc. 3 times I tell the youth, say, lower out the water, youth. Cause you got dirty up the water. And the only little water we have to do with little, you know, cooking up at the ital stew and them thing there. And the youth are playing at the water, doc. So the eye take up the chair. And the eye fling the chair off of you.
No, but Jamaica's, with all due respect to you, sir, you cannot raise a child by throwing things at them, you know. That displays anger.
The way I get beat with fan belt when the eye grow, you know, doc. The way the eye back gets stripped off, you know, doc. But that's so I learn to be tough and to be strong in the Gideon. Cause if I never grow that way, you know, doc, I would have soft out. And you can't raise a youth to soft out in them times, yeah, doc. Right now, the youth, them a go around and them a move like them living at the sea. My youth can't move like them living at the sea. So when me tell us to stop playing with the water, and me fling a chair off of you, and the connect in your back. As the great Robert Nesta Marley saying, doc, you have to be iron, like a lion, in a Zion.
You want him to be iron like a lion, but he's not an iron. He's a human being, he's
Next
not an iron.
Next time you know, say you have to do that. When the elder talk to you, when your father talk to you, you listen. And stop going like saying on years. So like that the Empress feel a way about. And that she feel a way about. And I talk about me figure anger management. That I don't even want to say, you know. So try her up and talk.
Well, Jamaica, those issues will have to be dealt with. And the sessions will not be
try
rushed.
Try her up and talk. Because I leave and I don't want to leave right now. Jano.